Daily routine.
Good morning, Peter.
Morning, Jessica.
Did you have a good sleep?
Yes, I did. You?
I did too. What's for breakfast?
Cereals and fruit.
Sounds good. Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet, I'll do it now.
Don't forget to apply sunscreen on your face too.
I won't. What's the plan for today?
Work first, then gym.
What time do we leave?
In an hour. Are you ready?
Almost. I need to shower.
Be quick. We don't want to be late.
I'll be quick.
I'll pack the bags while you brush your teeth.
Thanks, Jessica.
Don't forget your cap.
I won't. Let's start the day. Conversation with a stranger. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live nearby.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor. How about you?
I work as an engineer. Who is this with you?
This is my friend John.
Are you new in town?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome. How do you like it so far?
I like it a lot.
What brings you here?
I'm here for work.
Have you met many people?
Not yet, but I'm trying to.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Would you like a coffee?
Yes, thank you.
How long are you staying?
I'll be here for a month.
Can I introduce you to someone?
Sure, I'd love to meet them.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy reading and painting.
What do you like to read?
I love novels and history books.
Have you been to this event before?
No, this is my first time.
What do you think of it?
It's interesting and fun.
Can we exchange numbers?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Will you come here again?
I hope so. It's a nice place.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Let's stay in touch.
Conversation on phone. Hello, is this Sarah?
Hi, yes, it's Sarah. Who's this?
It's Mike. We met at the event yesterday.
Oh, Mike, hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for calling.
I wanted to say it was great meeting you.
Same here, I enjoyed our chat.
Have you settled in the city yet?
Not fully, but I'm getting there.
If you need any help, let me know.
That's very kind of you. Thanks. By the way, do you want to grab coffee sometime?
Sure, I'd love that.
How about tomorrow afternoon?
That works perfectly.
Great. I'll text you the details.
Sounds good, thanks again, Sarah.
No problem. See you tomorrow.
See you then, bye. Catch up with friends. Hi, Sarah, how are you?
Hi, Mike. I'm good. Thanks. You?
Doing well, I enjoyed our coffee yesterday.
Me too. It was nice to chat.
Would you like to catch up with friends?
Sure. I'd like that.
How about dinner this Friday?
Friday works for me. What time?
Does 7 p.m. suit you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. Any cuisine preferences?
I love Italian food.
There's a new Italian place downtown.
Sounds wonderful. What's it called?
It's called Bella Italia.
I've heard good things about it.
Shall I make a reservation?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Consider it done.
Thanks, Mike. Looking forward to it.
Me too. Sarah, see you Friday.
See you then. Bye. Let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or share your practice sentences with me.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy and relaxed.
Are you tired?
Yes, I feel a little exhausted.
How do you feel about the weather?
I feel excited because it's sunny.
Are you nervous about the meeting?
No, I feel confident and prepared.
How do you feel after the workout?
I feel energized and strong.
Are you upset about what happened?
No, I feel calm and at peace.
How do you feel when you're with your friends?
I feel joyful and comfortable.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Do you feel tired?
No, I'm fine.
Are you excited?
Yes, very much.
Do you feel nervous?
No, I feel calm.
Are you upset?
No, I'm okay.
Do you feel strong?
Yes, I do.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always do.
What's your favorite meal?
I love dinner the most.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I try to eat them daily.
How often do you eat fast food?
Only once a week.
How much water do you drink daily?
I try to drink 8 glasses a day.
Do you like cooking at home?
Yes, I enjoy making healthy meals.
Do you skip breakfast?
No, I never do.
What's your favorite snack?
Fresh fruits are my favorite.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it. How often do you eat out?
Twice a month. Do you drink soda?
No, I prefer water.
Do you cook often?
Yes, almost every day.
Hey Sarah, got any plans for the weekend?
Hey, not really, just thinking of relaxing. What about you?
Same here, I might go hiking on Saturday if the weather's nice.
That sounds fun. Where are you planning to go?
probably to Cedar Trail. It's not too far, and the view at the top is amazing.
I've been meaning to hike there. Don't mind if I join you?
Of course, the more, the merrier. We could grab lunch afterwards. Too.
That sounds perfect. I've been craving that new cafe downtown. Maybe we can check it out after the hike?
Great idea. I've heard their sandwiches are awesome. Let's plan for that.
Cool, I'm in. What time do you want to head out?
How about 9 a.m.? We can beat the heat that way.
Works for me. I'll bring some snacks for the hike too.
Nice. I'll handle the water and sunscreen. It's gonna be a good weekend.
Definitely. Looking forward to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.